Hi, I am here with Dr. Irina today, and my name is Nicole House, and I am a IFS practitioner. And we are coming today to introduce a workshop that Dr. Irina has put together about IFS and complex trauma. Before we dive in, Dr. Irina, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Irina Diyankova, and I am certified IFS therapist and IFS Institute trainer. Um, have been passionate about complex trauma and specializing in it knowingly since 2008. And before that, I have encountered a lot of complex trauma in my work with clients, but I just didn't know what it was. I also have, a lived experience of complex trauma and kind of have, a deep understanding of complex trauma systems through my lived experience. Now, I have been in IFS since 2013 and have been using IFS with complex trauma since that time.
Yeah, wonderful. And this is a workshop that you're planning to offer for a couple of years now. So this is something that you're bringing in and making some adjustments and presenting a 2-day workshop.
Mm-hmm.
And they'll be getting receiving 15 hours of credit, also CEs and IFS CEs for recertification too. Yeah, I wanted to ask you, if you could share a little bit about what the therapist can expect in the 2-day workshop.
Yeah, absolutely. So, in this workshop, we will start with talking about, complex trauma and its impact on brain, nervous system, body, emotions, relationships, to really understand it on a deeper level. And then we will look at complex trauma systems from the IFS lens. And, they present differently in therapy. They also function differently. So we will look at that. We will also focus on the therapist's own system and response of therapist parts to different trauma presentations. In IFS, we always pay attention to being self-led, but in working with complex trauma, it's even more important for two reasons. One is that complex trauma survivors often don't have access to self-energy at the start and sometimes in the middle of therapy as well. And so therapist is the only self-energy present in the room. So that's very important for them to be able to be self-led. And also complex trauma systems, tend to be very good detectors of parts in therapists and can like snuff it out very quickly. And also, they have, they often pull specific parts out of therapist system. So we're going to unpack all of that and, practice on blending and being self-led with complex trauma. And then, we will move on to talk about use of IFS with complex trauma. And, the way that we will approach it is as if, like we have this client with complex trauma, who is starting therapy with us. And the client will be role played by one of the PAs. And so we will see some demos of how we start therapy, how we address particular stuck points that often happen in complex trauma. And then, how we kind of like deal with protectors, how we deal with exiles. And there will be theory, there will be demo, and there will be practice around that. So throughout those 2 days, participants will be exposed to how to really, organize long-term therapy and, practicing different points that are challenging in work with complex trauma. In their small groups with the help of assistants who will be playing clients and coaches at the same time.
Great. So we can really follow that journey with that client
Yes.
and have that guidance
Mhm.
and also the support of all of us together. Yeah, and the PA
Right.
playing. And Yeah, so it's really important to have um, a very deep understanding of the 6 F's and of the healing steps. So it's really important for the participants to have completed level 1 um,
Yes.
with IFS-I or
Yes.
an equivalent program such as Stepping Stones or Thinking Heart.
Hmm.
Those are some that are equivalent that really are comprehensive to having those, and also a supervised practice for some
Hmm.
time, where, like you said, it's very important for you to have a place when you're working with complex trauma. So having a supervisor, a consultant, a group, is important as well. Is there anything
Right.
else that you want to say that I might have forgotten?
Yeah, well, I just want to welcome, folks to this workshop. I'm very excited about it. I have done a number of workshops on IFS and complex trauma, and this one will be like revamped a new way that like I have collected all this experience from the other workshops, and put together, a very connected program that hopefully will really help people, understand how to use IFS with complex trauma because it is so challenging, and there are lots of pitfalls that I hear about from different therapists and my consultees about using IFS with this population. I also would like to say that you will find the current dates in the comments to this video. If you have any questions, you can contact Nicole with them, and you will find her contact information in the comments to this video as well. So come on in. We are really ready and excited to work with you.